Welcome to Module 2 of our Discover Your Purpose course. In this module, you'll learn why playing to your strengths will enhance your life, and you'll identify your own unique strengths. Don't forget to use the follow-along guide that comes with this course. Let's start at the beginning. What do we mean by personal strengths? Your strengths are what you are really good at. People tell you this, you know this, they come fairly easily to you, and you are successful when you use them. This could include personal qualities, talents, and gifts you were born with, such as empathy or discipline. Subject matter or knowledge you've acquired over time based on study and practice, such as a command of English literature or knowing the best restaurants in your city. Skills you've learned and honed through the years, such as baking or training teams. Your personal strengths do not reflect what you wish you were good at, what you want to be good at, or what you think you should be good at, according to external pressure from family members, bosses, peers, or even from society or your upbringing. You are already good at your strengths. The question I often get is, wait, well, what about my weaknesses? Shouldn't we look for those too? Research has shown that it's better to focus on using and growing our strengths than on trying to shore up our weaknesses. People who express their strengths are more engaged in their work and more satisfied with their lives than those who focus on their weaknesses. After all, starting from a position of knowledge, competence, and confidence allows us to leverage our gifts and skills more easily in less time than attempting to fix our weaknesses. As strengths researcher and writer Marcus Buckingham says, "You have development needs, but for you, as for all of us, you will learn the most, grow the most, and develop the most in your areas of greatest strength. Your strengths are your multiplier. They magnify you." The truth is, we can't all be good at everything, so why should we try? Of course, if a weakness is getting in the way of your life and work, if it's preventing your success, you may need to address it. But it will take undue energy, discipline, and commitment, so make sure it's important. I'm also not suggesting that you avoid activities that get you out of your comfort zone or challenge you in some way. On the contrary, that's an important part of learning and growing. I'm saying prioritize your strengths. Push yourself to take them one step further. Investing in your strengths means you're investing in yourself and your potential. As strengths expert Tom Rath says, if you spend most of your time trying to be good at everything, you eliminate your chances of being great at anything. When you leverage your strengths, you feel more authentic and fulfilled, and you feel good that you are contributing your gifts to the world. This is especially true for strengths you enjoy, of course. If you're good at something but find it taxing, you may not wish to double down on that one. Okay, but how do I identify my strengths? When I work with women on uncovering their strengths, I'm often surprised at how challenging this is for many. We're conditioned not to boast, and some of us find it difficult to own our gifts and talents. Or we may not even be aware of our strengths or take them for granted, assuming everyone else has them too. But it's essential that you learn your strengths and really own them. That's why we'll be spending 2 weeks on identifying strengths. We'll be using multiple tools, one of which will ask you to get outside input. I realize I'm pushing you, but please trust me and complete all of the exercises. In Module 2, you'll complete 5 assignments, which you'll find in the follow-along guide. You'll identify your character strengths through the Values in Action, or VIA, assessment. You'll survey your fans using the fan feedback exercise. Yes, this is the part that may get uncomfortable, but I promise you will love the results. You'll complete the strengths self-assessment. You'll spend time with the strengths reflection. Next, armed with the results of these 4 exercises, you'll come up with your top 5 strengths, guided by the final strengths assignment. And you'll add your top 5 strengths to the purpose worksheet inside the follow-along guide. See you in the next video.